Welcome to my Igbo class. Today, I'll be mentioning some part of the body and we'll make sentences with them. Hope you're ready. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with I, Anya. Anya. So, I have two eyes. Yeah. Anya nabo, abo. Anya nabo. Alright, so Ejim anya nabo, ahozo. That means I can see with my two eyes. Ejim anyam nabo ahozo. So the next one is leg. Uku. Uku. Opa. Uku. Oji uku wega oro. Oji uku wega oro. He trekked to the workplace, or she trekked to her office. Workplace, oro. Oro is work. So, oji uku we goro. Aka. Aka. Aka is hand. So, aka na-egbu ya mgbu. Aka na-afụ ya ụfụ. Na-afụ ụfụ is hot. Pain. The hand hot. The hand hot. Or the hand is paining him or her. So, but mbu is ache. Mbu is ache. Aka na-egbu ya mgbu. The hand aches. Probably there was serious dislocation or there was something serious that happened to the hand. So you say mbu, ọ na-egbu ya mgbu. So, but if it's just maybe a scratch or something painful, pain. So, mbu is a kind of superior to pain. Afo. Afo is tummy, stomach, belly. Afo. Afo ejugum. Afo jurum. Eating, you're fed up, you're okay, you're satisfied. So, and someone wanted to take more, started to offer you things. So what you say you're satisfied. Oh, I'm okay, thank you. So you say, Afo ejugum, Afo jurum, Afo jurum, I'm satisfied, I'm okay, I'm fed up. Afo ejugum, I am satisfied, I'm fed. So you could place them anywhere you want. Afo jurum, Afo ejugum. One next one I want to talk about is hair, making of hair. Ntutu, ikba isi. So isi is head, while the hair is ntutu. Ntutu. So, but sometimes when you want to make your hair, so when you go to the salon as a lady, you want to weave or place your hair, what do you say? Achorom ikba isi. Achorom ikba isi. You're plaiting hair. Achorom ikba isi. But you kind of want to retouch or do something. Achorom ime isi. Achorom ime isi. The you may see, you're not specific. Achorom ime isi. You don't actually know whether you want to retouch, you want to. Achorom ime isi. Oh, the person will ask you, Kedifi chori ime. Kedifi chori ime. So what exactly do you want to do on your hair? Kedifi chori ime. Achorom ikba isi. So you say, I want to weave, I want to braid. Achorom ikba isi. That's for the female. Now, or you want to cut your hair. Achorom ikbo isi. Isi. Now take note. I didn't say achorom ikbo ntutu. Ntutu is hair, but most times we don't refer achorom ikba ntutu. We say achorom ikba isi. Okay, so ntutu is hair, and of course, you know there are so many hairs even on our body flesh. So I think that's why, in quote, for said to remain isi, ikba isi, instead of saying ikba ntutu. So remember, ntutu is hair. Then, to make emphasis, ntutu isi. So ntutu isi. So we have ntutu, hair, all over our body, you know. So, but we are referring to ntutu isi. So, isi, achọrọ m ime isi. I want to make my hair. Achọrọ m ịkpa isi. I want to braid or plait my hair. Next one I want to talk about is teeth. Eze, tooth. Eze na-egbu. I'm coming back with mgbu. Eze na-egbu. So toothache. Eze mgbu. Toothache. Eze mgbu. The video is getting long now, so please I'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.